Welcome to AI Topia, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Today, we have an exciting development in the world of data analysis that will revolutionize your workflow and supercharge your insights. Get ready to dive into the incredible world of Pandas AI, the generative AI Python library that's here to transform your data analysis tasks. Let's embark on this extraordinary journey together and uncover the power of Pandas AI. Imagine a tool that seamlessly combines the renowned capabilities of Pandas, the go-to dataset analysis library, with the immense potential of artificial intelligence. What if you could effortlessly handle massive datasets, detect hidden patterns, and automate complex manipulations with ease? Pandas AI is the answer to these questions and more. In this video, we'll explore why Pandas AI is the future of data analysis, guide you through its implementation, unveil its powerful features, and answer some frequently asked questions. Get ready to unlock a new level of data analysis mastery. If you want more AI content, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified each time we post. When it comes to data analysis in Python, Pandas has reigned supreme for over a decade. However, as datasets grow larger and more complex, we need a tool that can rise to the challenge effortlessly. Enter Pandas AI, an ingenious extension of Pandas that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence. This perfect fusion empowers you to tackle massive datasets, save time, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Let's delve into the extraordinary capabilities of Pandas AI. To embark on your Pandas AI journey, the first step is to install the library. With a simple command, pip install Pandas AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Importing Pandas AI into your Python script or Jupyter notebook is as easy as using the code snippet import pandas as pdi. Let's dive deeper into Pandas AI's functionalities and witness its magic in action. Imagine having a dataset with massive missing values. Traditionally, addressing these gaps would require manual intervention and considerable effort. However, with the remarkable capabilities of Pandas AI, you can bid farewell to the tediousness of manual handling. By employing the impute missing values function, Pandas AI leverages its advanced algorithms to intelligently analyze your data. It then fills in the missing values using appropriate techniques, such as mean implementation or regression. This automated process not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures that your analysis is based on complete and reliable data, providing a solid foundation for making informed decisions. Feature engineering, a vital aspect of data analysis, often demands extensive domain knowledge and manual effort. However, with Pandas AI, this complex task becomes remarkably simplified. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Pandas AI takes your existing data and automatically generates new features based on the patterns and relationships it identifies. This automation allows you to shift your focus from labor-intensive feature engineering to exploring insights and conducting in-depth analysis. With Pandas AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities and maximize the value extracted from your data, all while saving valuable time and effort. Data visualization is a fundamental element of understanding patterns and trends hidden within your dataset. Pandas AI empowers you with its intelligent data visualization capabilities, making it effortless to create visually appealing and informative plots and charts. From correlation heat maps that reveal intricate relationships to scatter matrices that showcase multivariate distributions, Pandas AI offers a wide range of visualization functions. These functions enable you to gain deeper insights into your data with just a few lines of code. With Pandas AI as your data visualization companion, you can effortlessly communicate your findings and leverage the power of visual storytelling to enhance your data analysis. Before we move forward, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest AI advancements. Evaluating the performance of machine learning models is a crucial step in the data analysis workflow. With Pandas AI, model evaluation becomes a streamlined and efficient process. By providing a suite of functions specifically designed for model evaluation and comparison, Pandas AI simplifies the task at hand. Functions like plot confusion matrix and plot ROC curve allow you to assess the performance of your models with ease. These visual representations of evaluation metrics provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your models, enabling you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Pandas AI empowers you to unlock the full potential of your models and optimize your data analysis workflow. Now, let's recap what we've covered so far. In this video, we explored the exciting world of Pandas AI, the generative AI Python library that enhances Pandas and transforms your data analysis experience. We discovered why Pandas AI is the future of data analysis, how to get started with it, and its powerful features, including automated missing value imputation, automated feature engineering, intelligent data visualization, and streamlined model evaluation. With Pandas AI at your side, you'll conquer large and complex datasets effortlessly, save time, and gain valuable insights. Embrace the power of Pandas AI and unlock new possibilities in your data analysis journey. If you want to learn more about AI, and maybe how it can help you get a job, make sure you stay tuned with our next video. Thank you for joining us today on AI Topia. Stay tuned for more fascinating explorations of AI's limitless potential. Until next time, keep innovating and let your data analysis skills soar to new heights with Pandas AI.